These instructions are to help fit a set of 55mm mudguards to an alloy fork. We first need to check that we have all the parts detailed here. In addition to these parts, you will require 3 and a 4mm Allen key. These parts will be surplus to requirements today. Our mudguards will attach to the following points on the bike: the lower fork leg, the fork crown, the rear dropout, the seat stay bridge, and then finally the chainstay bridge. To start fitting the mudguards, the rear wheel will need to be removed. Taking the bracket, we clip it onto the mudguard as pictured. We then take our first 170mm screw and washer and secure the bracket to the seat stay. Then to secure the end of the mudguard to the chainstay bridge, we will need the 210mm screw and washer, plus the black spacer. Place the black spacer between the mudguard and the bridge, and then secure in place with the screw and washer. Next, the breakaway clips are attached to the rear mudguard, 2 on each side. We now move to fitting the stays. These come in 3 different lengths, with the longest being for the front mudguard and the remaining stays for the rear. Taking the next 210mm screw and washer. Using our rear stays, the longest will point towards the back, with the shortest pointing vertical. The barrel and the breakaway clips will now need to be loosened, and then the stays inserted and retightened. We then need to refit the rear wheel to check for clearance. The breakaway clips may need moving to create a uniform distance between the guard and tyre. We now move to the front mudguard. Using a 170mm screw and washer, the mudguard is now secured to the front crown. The remaining 2 breakaway clips are fitted to the lower points on the guard, approximately 10cm from the end, and then repeat on the other side. On the non-disc side, we use another 170mm screw and washer. We now secure the final stays to the fork leg. And then on the disc side, we use the 250mm screw and washer, plus the black spacer. This helps space the stay over the caliper. The stays are then secured to the breakout clips. And then finally, we need to check for clearance and make any adjustments where required.